Hello there, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I just have a very small haul from scrapbookpal.com. So I will have them linked down below. And everything that I'm going to show you, I will, like I said, have everything posted down below. As you well know, if you've come to my videos before, you do know that I do videos for them on occasion. And so some of these things you'll see in future videos. And so I would definitely, if I were you, subscribe to them, and then you won't miss anything that I do. But I also, in my community page, I usually post when I have something from them, for them. And so, yeah, so keep an eye out for that as well. All right, so Avery Elle just came out with their new release. And so let me... And Scrapbook Pal was having a deal that if you bought any one of their stamp sets from the new release, you got a heavy-duty pocket to go with it, which is really cool. So I got the Hoppy Easter set, and I also got the matching die. I just thought this little bunny on top of the egg was just too stinking cute. And then there's the matching die that goes with it, but it also came with a pocket. So thank you for your order. This is, you know, Scrapbook Pal's awesome. I know that for years they have had their shipping for it was free, anything over $25. I think they had to recently change that. But, you know, shipping costs have gone up and they stayed the same for a while. And this is a little family-owned business. So I think anytime they throw in their little complimentary stuff like this, that I think it's just really wonderful that they do that. And the prices of the stamps there are usually a little less than everywhere else, so that's why I like them. And they have the best selection of Copics and all kinds of things. So it's a very nice pocket, so I think that's really cool. So it says, thank you for supporting our family-owned business. Please enjoy this complimentary sturdy storage envelope. Perfect for storing and organizing your stamps and dies. These sturdy storage envelopes are available in packs of 5 and have coordinating packs of 5x7 magnet sheets available too. So I'll have those linked down below because I'm not sure how long they're doing the, you know, you buy a stamp set, you get the pocket for free. But I'll have the pockets linked down below along with all the stamp sets. So I got that one. And I like this because it says Hoppy and Easter, and then you've got your little grass, a little heart, a little flower, triangle, circle, so you could decorate the inside of the egg as well, which is kind of cute. And then you have all the little dies that go with it. I've been watching Carrie Rhodes. I don't know if you watch Carrie Rhodes. If you don't, you really, really should. She is delightful. And she's been doing a lot with the little Peekaboo Pals from Avery Elle. She's had like a whole series on them, and so she's just inspired me. And so when they came out with this new one, this is the Peekaboo Fair with the little unicorn, and she's got her little paws. I suppose it could be a guy. I don't know. Don't know the gender of unicorns. So I had to get this one, and so this one has these really great sentiments like I miss, so great. Bumping by to say hi, so you could say, so great bumping into you, or I miss bumping into you. That would be fun. Have a wheelie, happy birthday, have fun, wishing you a magical day, enjoy the ride. And then it has like the little bumper car, it has the Ferris wheel, so you could put your little critter in there. And then we've got some stars, a little like cotton candy or ice cream cone, however you want to do it. And of course, got the matching dies. And it came with a pocket. So that's awesome. And then along with that, I went ahead and got the new Peekaboo Jungle because why not, right? You've got your little giraffe, your zebra, your lion, your cheetah. And then we've got from the bottom of our heart, so you can put it in the banner. Sending lots of hugs. Have a great day. Love you fiercely. Wild birthday wishes. And simply wild about you. How fun is that? And of course, the matching die along with the pocket. So that's cool. And then I went ahead and got a few more Copics. So I am very slowly trying to increase my Copic stash. Let me just show you, because I use a hex chart and I've been filling it in, but I have been collecting Copics for a number of years. And when I say a number, I mean since probably like 2000, I keep getting the year wrong. I want to say like 2008 or 9. But this is how many I have. There's like 300 and some, and I don't have them all. And I certainly don't have all the re-inkers, so I'm trying to mark the re-inkers, but yeah, it's a process and they're an investment. So this is why I have the few amount that I really do. But I say few amount, but again, I've been collecting for a decade. All right, so the new ones that I got were all from the blue line. So we have B05, which is process blue. We have B16, which is cyanine blue. Then we have B18, which is lapis lazuli. And then we have B66, which is clematis. And then we have B79, which is iris. And if you're curious about this, this is just the hex chart from Sandy Allnock. And if I remember, I will link that down below as well. That is a purchase, so you'd have to buy it. But yeah, so then those are the new ones that I got, and I will add those to my chart. All right, so that is all that I have for you today. It's just not, I mean, it's not a lot, but I was very excited to get these. And like I said, I am going to be making a card for Scrapbook Pal for next month. And so keep an eye out. And if there's something in particular in here that you'd like to see me use first or whatever here on my channel, let me know. I would love for you to leave that down in the comment section down below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for sure so that you don't miss anything. And as always, I will see you very soon in the next video. Bye everyone.